As you can probably see, these are outer walls of the house. And again, 80 years ago when they built this house, they built things a little differently back then than they do today. Typically today you would build a house with a wall structure made out of 2x4s and then you brick on the outside. So the brick is not structural, it is just there for looks, keep the weather out. But in this case, the brick is structural. There are no 2x4s in this wall. So in order to meet code, we had to run our electrical down to get so many outlets in the walls, which is what modern code is, and also to put in modern wiring, Romex wire as opposed to the old knob and tube wiring, which is what we encountered here. But in order to get it there, we had to do this. As you can see, we've got concrete covering brick. The only way to get the wire to run is through conduit to protect the wire, but also to chisel that out and then cover it back over. So it's another one of these issues we're dealing with an 80-year-old house. Folks, this is an example of old school, and I mean really old school wiring. This is what we found in this 80-year-old house, knob and tube wiring, and we can have a whole segment based on wiring types and all of that. The reason why this is a hazard is because it's made out of rubber that is coming apart, wrapped in fabric. So, you know, you've heard the thing about electrical fires. This is how electrical fires start, because rubber can burn and the fiber on these wires can burn also. So this is what we're taking out of this house, and we're replacing it with modern style wiring like this so that it's safe and meets current code.